Welcome, beautiful souls. I play to the tones of Love at Nature by Naira's Art. Welcome to Naira's Art Productions.
Hey Nairas, would you explain one last Vedic birth chart placement, Sun in Aries?
The Sun is the ruler of the sign Leo. The Sun represents the father and is ruled by Mars. Libra rules the 11th house. And a Sun in Aries in the 7th house is a descendant of Libra in the Vedic birth chart. Libra stands for social security, siblings, ambitions, and justice. The 7th house stands for love, marriage, and partnership. Libra rules the 11th house and is now located in the 7th house, the house of improvement, Opatia. The karma house that is not karma because it is now in the 7th house rather than the 11th, which represents constant improvement. That stands for learning from life over time. The 3rd, 7th, and 11th houses together form the karma circle. The 7th house stands for marriage, partnership, business, and business partners. Meeting the right business partner. Meeting your partner's 7th house becomes his or her first house. Then it is more connected to the ego. Alpha male or alpha female. Ego conflicts with partners can occur frequently. These are typically partners with whom you must ensure they do not walk all over you. They crave compliments to stroke their ego, but will never return a compliment, even if you have done perfect work. You will meet a partner with high ambitions with whom you will build wealth together, and who is also open to a reward. Your father was probably also a good businessman or worked with his hands. Aries is a fighter, someone who does not shy away from physical confrontation or appearances. Aries is the opposite of Libra. Sun in Aries also relates to sexuality, passion during arguments, and a love for make-up sex. Sun in Aries can bring different meanings. It depends on which house it is in. Due to the placements of the houses, the outcomes are naturally different. Sun in Aries in the 12th house is obviously not the same as in the 7th house or other placements. So always pay attention to which house your placements are in. Good to compare the placements in your natal birth chart with the Vedic birth chart. There may be some differences. The birth chart tells you about your mentality, your strengths and weaknesses. It tells you about your family, your finances, your partner, your gifts, talents, and many other qualities you possess. It also tells you what you are meant to learn and why certain things happen in your life. It reveals your past lives, whether there is any karma that needs to be settled or is still owed, and it tells you what your purpose is in this life. It tells you about your enemies and friends. It lays the past, the present, and the future bare to you as a compass for your own life. So it is always good to create your birth chart. Don't forget, they know who you are when you come out of the womb. Make sure you know who you are too. I thank everyone for watching and listening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel Nature by Naira's Art and follow me on TikTok at Naira's Art 6. Thank you all, and until next time, bye bye.